Ghee is, look at that. Well, you see, well coming. This way I make videos with late. So show you. Look, when I buy like this cream, too much cream, I buy last time three cream and also was another one, like a small one. So this all I put it in. I'm making now ghee, guys. So this ghee, I love to make my own ghee. So people ask me why I buy too much cream. Maybe I like it. But last time one lady, she asked me when I'm buying. So I say, no, I make ghee. This is Asian traditional well. So like this, guys, you can make ghee. Still, I like still cook pot because this is healthier, and still plate I use for covering like this. But when you're making ghee, not better not to cover because then water drop from the plate and you need more longer time to make ghee. So I open it. I keep open and long time just boiling. If I put full fire, I can do it, but I have to be stand up here, so this will be quickly I can make. But and if I give slowest fire, then I don't need to go here. Sometime when I come and just I check, and that's it. So easy to make it. It just take long time, and also it is good low fire for any food really. So when I make ghee, I put it, you can keep whole year. So some people maybe don't know what is how make ghee. I make from double cream really. It's British double cream. Some cream is more thicker, more easy to make, like that one. That one more thick cream. You see, it's a quick cream cooking. This might be for cooking, and this one for normally I take like sometimes you can make sweet dish with cream or take coffee, and I make ghee. Look at the ghee coming in the corner. So make your own ghee, guys, who don't know, like our Asian people make ghee. So you can make ghee like with double cream. This is taking very long time because 24 hours I don't want to on the heater cooker, and I put sometimes few hours every day like this. This taking long time this time because I'm making different way now with little fire. And yeah, take care of yourself, guys. Make your own ghee. This is you can use as a cosmetics also. I put in or eye for this ghee when cold, so dry eye solution you can make this. Sometimes you can put in your skin like other well really, and you can take this well as a for coffee with coffee in the morning time. It is very gentle for tummy. So bye bye, guys, take yourself and make your own ghee like this with little fire. Bye bye, guys.